Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts. I want to talk to you today a little bit about how I'm organizing this year. And one of the things that I'm going to be doing is joining Amalia and her collab for this year. And it's called, and let me look it up because I know I always get it wrong. It's called 2020 Crafty Goals Collab with Amalia. And I'm doing this because it's going to help me stay organized throughout the year. I had already started organizing, but I thought this is going to be something that's going to keep me on track. So if you got anything creative wise that you want to stay organized with, this would be a great thing to follow. Now, there's some veterans that have done it last year that are going to be listed below in the description box, as well as the list of all of us newbies, including a couple that are a part of our Quality Crafts community. So I'm super excited about that. And we are going to do monthly updates throughout the year to let you know how we're doing. So along with this kind of coincides with our positive thinking weekly. So this will be a monthly thing where you can check in and see how you're doing. Now, this is more of a fun kind of what do you want to get out of your crafting experience? What kind of things do you want to experience or get done or organize? It could be your crafty area. It could be what you want to actually experience. It's whatever it is. It's totally and completely up to you. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this is just the intro, so I'm sorry if there's not like bells and whistles and stuff. But I hope that the next couple videos would be really fun. Um, so my two things that I'm going to stick with this year that I really want to keep organized for my collab is going to be number one, sticking with my yearly plan. I've not done this before, and I think this is going to really help me stay organized. I planned out for the entire year. That doesn't mean that I can't change it along the way and tweak it and make it so that it matches my community better, which I'm absolutely going to be doing. But I have a plan. So that's number one, follow my yearly plan. And number two is that Mondays are my creative days where I pull all the stuff out. I create the stuff for my videos. I take the time to experiment. I want to make my videos a little bit more robust. So that's my second one. Mondays are going to be dedicated to being creative days. So those are my two. Um, Definite, I would say, visionary, my collab goals for the year. Number one, to stick with my yearly plan and see how that goes for me. And number two is to make sure that Mondays are my creative days, that there nothing else crowds that day, so I can get those done. So there you have it, my two goals for the crafty collab for this year with Amalia. If you want to join next year, I highly encourage you to do so. Um, I will be giving you more details and updates along the way every month, so I hope that you enjoy. Check out all the other people down in the description box. If you really like their channels, go ahead and subscribe. Click that like button, and I really hope that you enjoy this series. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And as always, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.